All right, hello. It's been a couple days, but I'm back. I'm gonna be opening up this. It's a it's a pretty new pack that I've never actually seen. It looks pretty sick for the pin. That's mainly why I wanted it for. I don't think I'm gonna get anything super good from the packs, but you never know. You never know. It has 2 booster packs and a collector's pin. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I just want to post this real quick. This is going to be all for today, so this is going to be a pretty short video. But I have already received shipping confirmations for Evolving Skies, so that is very soon. I can't wait for that. I hope we get the alternate art Rayquaza or some of the Shining evolutions. But nonetheless, let's get right into it. I really like this pack. This pin. We got Sun and Moon, Darkness Ablaze, and this freaking awesome Tyranitar pin. Look at that. It's pretty impressive. I like it. Let's save Darkness Ablaze for last. Let's see what we get though. I'll be honest, I'm not really expecting much. A green code card. Bit unfortunate. So there's that. Fighting Energy. Steen. Energy Retrieval. Corsola. Alone Rattata. Ragnolora. Margarine Crab Brawler. Oh, look at that Growlithe. Ooh, that looks nice. I've never actually seen that. Marine, Reverse Hollow, and a Lantern. Nothing too great there. I'm not expecting much from this one either. Oh, actually, I thought it was a white code card, but it was reversed. So there's the code. It's a green code card too. Energy. Furret, Steen, Birdkeeper, Dano, Skitty, Golett, Hippopotamus, Larvesta, Wishy-Washy Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Darkrai. Oh, we actually got a Hollow from a green code card. That's a bit strange. Dude, what is it? This is only a 3-minute video. Can't be that short. Let's see what I'll also do then. I got another one of these, the refund packs. 2 more packs. Let's just get into it. Man. 2 minutes is too short. That's way too short for a video. There we go. 2 more Chilling Rain. I'll be honest, I haven't gotten anything too good from Chilling Rain. It's been just a bit disappointing. I wish I pulled some alternate arts or some more full arts from this set, but I haven't gotten that much. But let's get right into it. This will be about a 5-minute video. 5 minutes is pretty good. Ooh, we get into a white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Kirla. Justified Gloves. Weeding Gloves. Deerling. Sneasel. Galarian. Farfetch'd. Furfowl. Venipede. Reverse Hollow Brawly. And a Hollow Shyman. I haven't gotten that one actually. I'll take it. For Chilling Rain, that's not that bad. Let's see. 1 more pack. Another Zapdos pack. What do we get here? Ooh, another white code card, you say? I'll take it. Lightning Energy, Fog Crystal, Brawly. We just got the reverse holo, that one. Cielo, Scovet, Scorbunny, Diglett, Gowlet, Deerling, reverse holo, Snover, and we got something. What do we get? Oh my god. What? Galarian Moltres V? Oh. Look at this, bro. It's not the alternate art, but that's still very, 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 very nice. I'll take that. I'll absolutely take that. From the refund packs, nonetheless. The refund packs, really? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Pretty sick sleeves, huh? If you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. Anyways, what else is there left? We got the good pull. That's how we end the video. That's perfect ending. Alright. So, if you enjoyed the video, use any of the code cards, make sure to like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm going to be posting way more Pokemon videos, way more code cards for you to use. I don't ever use any of them, so these are all for you to use. So make sure to do that. And yeah, peace out.